Hey, yo, you went and caught the new G550? Oh boy. Oh, are you crazy? Happy birthday to you. Merry Christmas. My first time in this thing.
It's gonna be better once some stuff is swapped.
Smell of newness. Fresh mahogany.
Yeah.
Hey, yo, check it out. For inspirational and motivational uses only, I'm going to take me a nap. I'll see y'all in the A, man. What up, boy?
Good morning. Send nothing but love and positive vibrations your way. Love.
Yo, we on our way to make some historical, beautiful, much needed soul to the soul capital of the world, ATL. We are on our way, and we bring nothing but love and positive vibes and smash hit motherfucking records. Love is in the building, and I'm taking no shorts. Here's to us, to us, to us, to us. Love, 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 love.
Energy. Good morning.
Let's go. Get on.